Good day. Today I'd like to tell you about setting up survey styles using Trimble Access. There are a number of different survey styles available. Today I'm going to make a new survey style on using a Trimble C5 controller. So we would go over here and we would choose a conventional instrument, and I'm going to just call this Trimble C5. You could use your controller and connect it Bluetooth to the C5 instrument in order to operate the instrument with a controller. So once we're into instrument, we can choose our manufacturer. I'm not sure on these brands over here if the Trimble Bluetooth will connect to it. However, if it does, that will be really powerful. Choose your instrument below, maybe it's an M3 or C5, and we'll set up the baud rate. It's important to set up the same baud rates on the instruments as what you have got here, what you have displayed over here. Perhaps on your instrument mode, we would just set it up as normal. Measure distance on phase 2, yes, I would like to do that, and I would leave the rest of the settings as is. Going into the topo points, you can see what you want to display on the screen of the controller. I like to uncheck that, as I don't need to view every single topo point data before it stores. On stakeout, however, I do want to view the stakeout deltas before it gets stored, and I like to use these two settings at the bottom over here, last code used and my design name. And you can also then go through the items below and choose what you would like to see on the controller. Duplicate point tolerance, I like to set that as 0, as any sort of errors that I achieved, even if it's a 1 millimeter error, I'd like to know that, and therefore I'd like to set it at 0. The rest of the items I'm not going to cover today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know if you have any other questions.